Good day. Want to check another example on how to find the square root of y. So in this case now, this question involves negative. So we are going to use, in this case now, we are going to we'll be using the negative sign. We say the square root, let the square root of 8 minus 2 square root of 15 be square root of p, in this case minus square root of q. Then we are going to have it to be square root of p minus square root of q, all squared, since this is the square root, will give us 8 minus 2 root 15. If I open up here, I'm going to have p minus square root of pq minus q will be equal to 8 minus 2 root 15. So if I collect the like terms, I'll have p minus q minus 2 square root of pq will be equal to 8 minus 2 root 15. So if I compare the two, I'm going to get p minus q will be equal to 8. Let's say that's equation 1. Then I will have minus 2pq will be equal to minus 2 square root of 15. I can divide both sides by minus 2. P square will take care square root. At the end of the day, pq will be equal to 15. Equation 2. So we have equation 1 on the board, and we have equation 2. So I can make p, solve the formula from equation 1. I will say p is equal to 15 plus q. Say equation 3. I can go ahead and say substitute equation 3 into equation 2. What is equation 2? P, which is now 15 plus q, into multiplied by q is equal to 15. Okay? So then 15 plus, this will be 8 plus q. 8 plus q. That's what you get. Then we have 8q plus q squared is equal to 15. So if I bring this in, I'm going to have 8q plus 8q minus 15 equal to 0. So I'm going to have q squared. This is plus 8, ne? P. Here, P will be q plus 8. Okay. So from there now we factorize. If we factorize that now, if we do that correctly, we are going to have, if we do that correctly, no, here is p, here is plus. This place is plus. Here is plus. This place is plus. So here will be minus. Here will be minus. Okay. This place will be minus. So if we take everything to this side, we have q minus 8q plus 15. So here I'm going to have minus 3q minus 5q plus 15 equal to 0. I'll do the grouping. Here will be q minus 3. Minus 5 is common. We have q minus 3 equal to 0. So that q minus 3, q minus 5 equal to 0. That's what you are going to get. Q minus 3, q minus 5 equals 0. At the end of the day, we realize that is that q is a q minus 3 equals 0 or q minus 5 equal to 0. So q is equal to 3 or 5. We recall that p is equal to 8 minus q. So when q is equal to 3, p will be 8 minus 3, that will be 5. And when q is equal to 5, p will be 8 minus 5, that will be 3. That will be 3. So that's what we are going to get. So hence the square root of hence, the square root of 8 minus 2 root 15 will be square root of 3 minus square root of 5, or square root of 5 minus square root of 3. These are the two possible values that we are going to get. Thank you.